Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a table in Microsoft Word. In this video, we will be showing you step by step how to create a table in MS Word, which is included in MS Office 2021. Tables are useful for organizing information, creating schedules, presenting data, and much more. We will continue with the history of the Internet project and add the timeline of the Internet in a table. Let us add a new page to the project. For this, navigate to the Insert tab and select Page Break option from the Pages group. A new blank page will appear. Let us give page heading as Timeline of the Internet. Now click on the Table button. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for creating tables. To create a new table from scratch, select Insert Table from the drop-down menu. This will open a dialog box where we can specify the number of rows and columns we want in the table. Use the arrow buttons or type in the numbers to adjust the size of the table. You can always increase or decrease the numbers of columns and rows after inserting the table also. For the timeline of the Internet, we will create a table with 2 columns and 10 rows. Now that we have entered our desired size, click OK to create the table. A new table will appear in the document. To add content to the table, simply click on a cell and start typing. Let us first give the titles to the columns. In the first column, we will write the year of the milestones, and in the second column, we will write the key milestones. Now, add the content. We can also copy and paste content from other parts of the document or from external sources. We can add or delete rows and columns in the table. For this, right-click on a cell within the table. From the context menu that appears, choose options such as Insert or Delete to add or remove rows or columns accordingly. Alternatively, we can use Tab key to insert a new row. We will combine text and images to create more visually appealing and informative table. Let us add another column and insert images in it. There are a couple of ways to insert an image into the selected cell. The first way is by using the Insert tab. For this, go to the Insert tab and click on the Pictures button in the Illustrations group. Now, browse the computer to locate the image file and click Insert. The second method is to drag and drop. For this, open the folder or location where the image file is saved on the computer. Then, drag the image file from the folder and drop it directly into the selected cell in the Word table. Once the image is inserted into the cell, we can resize and reposition it as needed. To do this, click on the image to select it and then use the resizing handles on the corners or sides of the image to adjust its size. Let us now learn how to format the table. To format the table, select the table by clicking anywhere within it. Use the various formatting options under the mini toolbar or Home tab. To change the font, size, color, alignment and other aspects of the table. Let us format the header of the table using the format options. We will increase the font size and make the titles bold. We can also use the auto format feature in Word to quickly format the table. For this, select the table by clicking anywhere within it. This will reveal the Table Tools tab on the top navigation menu. There are two tabs in it: Design and Layout. Click on the Design tab under the Table Tools tab. In the Table Style section, click on the More drop-down arrow to see additional styles. Select an auto-format style to use from the list of available styles. We can preview each style by clicking on it. Once we have chosen an auto-format style, click OK to close the dialog box and apply the style to the table. As you can see, applying auto format to a table in Word leaves text with unwanted white background. To remove the white background, select the text in a cell or the entire table. Then right-click and select Table Properties and click on Borders and Shading. Select the Shading tab. Now set Fill to No Color and select Apply to Text and click OK. This will remove the unwanted white background from all the text in the table. And that's it! Now you know how to insert and format a table in MS Word. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.